Welcome to another episode of Weekly Stock Picks. Haven't done an episode in a few weeks as I've had some crazy stuff going on my other channel and my Twitch stream. But I'm happy to be back and back to consistency so you can expect more videos throughout the week on the channel. A lot of people on stream have been asking me about AMC, and yes, I am still holding my position on an AMC. Let me bring up my account, but try to block everything, I guess. I have 27,000 shares of AMC still, diamond handing this like a mofo. And I got about 33 shares of GME as a nice speculative play over on my main portfolio on Ameritrade. The second account I use is through Webull. Now Webull's amazing. I have an affiliate link in the description. If you sign up and deposit money, we both get free stocks. So definitely check out the link in the description if you have a second. There's actually all kinds of links in the description, but let's get into the video here. So AMC, what could I say about AMC, right? It says right here, 9 analysts say hold the stock, and that's pretty much what you want to do if you're me. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but people ask me all day, what would you do, man? And whenever I'm feeling kind of shaky, whenever I'm feeling slightly paper-handed, I think about the reason why I got into the stock in the first place. Those 10 to 30x your money type of gains, right? I could double up on a lot of stocks. We doubled up on NEO this year. We doubled up on Workhorse also this year. So making 2 times your money is amazing, right? An amazing feat in itself, but it's possible. It's not like such a crazy thing that people do, but something that has the potential to short squeeze like AMC is literally like once in a lifetime opportunity. And this might be the last time it's even possible. This era that we're currently in right now, because they are adding so many different types of rules from the SEC, all the DTCC rules with the depository. I've read through so many different filings and a bunch of bullshit over the last 2 weeks. And I must say it's a lot, there's so many good DDs on Reddit and on the internet, like every day from other YouTubers. And then you have the media just pushing the stock down harder and harder and harder. It looks like people are short ladder attacks and manipulating the stock, and it just goes on and on and on. And whenever I feel overwhelmed, like I was saying, I just think about why I got into the first place. I got in for those big 10x returns like we talked about. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. I'm going to ride this out as long as possible. If it takes a little bit longer for our rocket ship to be fueled up, then I'll just be kicking back, waiting with everybody else. In the description of the video, we also do have a Discord link. If you're a Twitch sub of mine, you get access to our private stock group. That's the first place where I would announce as soon as I sell my shares. And we also have a double up portfolio. We started it. It's about $800 right now. We're going to double our money as soon as the market rebounds here. I feel like a lot of people got into the stock. Some people are really new investors and they maybe are getting used to their risk tolerance and how it feels. And if you're overextended in the stock, feel free to trim your position. The stock might not be for you right now. This is not financial advice, but you definitely got to take care of your portfolio first. I'm definitely more like a growth oriented person. I'm going for that freaking house on the beach, the mansion in the sky, right? So for me, this is like the perfect storm for me to get into. Or if you want to take 5% of your portfolio, 3% of your portfolio, and add an insane upside speculative stock, AMC might be the one. All right, let's talk about some stocks, all right? So Tattooed Chef, not Chef. I think they're a buy right now. I think they're in a really good position. They're poising themselves in the market for a big breakout. They've shown strength down here at the 1860 mark, 1850-ish, 1850-60. You can see in the 1 month chart, they've been resilient and they've had some negative news come out, and they hit this like triple bottom here. You can see 3 touch points, and to me it just shows tremendous strength. And this would be a great buy at $19. I can see it again breaking past the 20. And I don't know when it's going to happen. It could be this week. It could be next week. But they're definitely a rock solid company. And they got some innovative food ideas. They're in grocery stores like all across the United States. And all it takes is for them to announce a big deal with another big retailer, big grocery store, and the stock's going to explode, right? It's just waiting for that one catalyst. And I don't know when that catalyst is going to be, like I was saying, but it's going to be damn soon. At Tattooed Chef, we spend the time so you don't have to. Our products are expertly designed and prepared by us to offer convenience for busy lifestyles without sacrificing on quality, nutritional value, or freshness. So there's no need to blend or spend hours in the kitchen. I think that's a bar. I have tried one of them myself. I think I got them at Trader Joe's. There was a pretty big size section there. A lot of people are telling me they're in Target, and just more and more stores are going to pick them up. So keep an eye on them, at least add them to your watch list, and then we can see how it goes. I'm definitely going to buy in on Monday, open up a position around the 19 to 1950 mark, and just sit on it, right? I'm expecting for it to go up at some point this year. And the next two companies I want to talk about are NIO and CCIV. At some point, this EV market is just going to explode. And again, you have to get in before it starts exploding. You can't catch it on the way up though, if you really pay attention, right? But not everybody's watching the charts, watching every stock, all the news for everything all day long. So I definitely would say NIO and CCIV would be great mid to long-term EV plays. I put these both here because CCIV is run by a lot of people that used to work at Tesla. They do a really good job. They make high-end electric vehicles, and they're an American company. And there are some tensions, right, with United States and China. So I like NIO a little bit more than CCIV, but some people just won't invest in China, or they won't invest in American stocks, or vice versa, right? So take your pick. I think they're both strong plays right now. I thought I would offer a little bit of something for everybody, okay? I'm the kind of guy that does shop local, buy local, and support my community, but I really only adhere to the one race, that is the green money race. So wherever I can do a nice little swing trade or a few day trades and make some money to achieve my goals, I'm down for that. That's gonna be all for me today. I wanted to hit you guys with what I'm looking at in this upcoming week. Thank you for allowing me to hit 2,000 subscribers. I really do this as a fun side project to my main content, and I have fun with it, and you guys support it, and it just makes it all the sweeter. A lot of the other companies I talked about in the past, I do believe in still, like Romeo, MNXXF. I have a position in this. I just got like a giant stock packet in the mail from them. GNOG, I believe in long term, so definitely check out the channel for some videos. You can see where my head's at. High Tide, HITIF. Good luck this week, investors. I will talk to you as soon as possible. Peace out.